The Industrial Revolution. The age that changed everything before the Industrial Revolution. Most people lived on farms, grew their own food, and rarely traveled beyond their village. Within a century, everything changed. Factories rose, cities exploded, and humanity was transformed forever. This is the story of the Industrial Revolution. It began in Britain in the mid-18th century. Several factors came together at the right time. Britain had abundant coal and iron, a growing population, a stable government, and a culture of innovation. The textile industry was the first to be transformed. Inventions like the spinning jenny and the power loom meant that cloth could be produced faster and cheaper than ever before. Factories replaced home workshops. The steam engine, improved by James Watt in the 1760s, was the driving force of the revolution. Steam-powered factories, pumps, and eventually locomotives. In 1825, the first public railway opened in England. Within decades, thousands of kilometers of track connected cities across Britain and eventually the world. Distance, which had defined human existence for millennia, was suddenly conquered. But the Industrial Revolution had a dark side. Factory workers, including children as young as 5, labored in dangerous conditions for 12 to 16 hours a day. Wages were barely enough to survive. Cities like Manchester and London grew so fast that sanitation couldn't keep up. Disease, pollution, and overcrowding made urban life a nightmare for the working class. The revolution spread across Europe and to the United States. Railroads, telegraphs, and steamships connected the globe. Mass production made goods affordable for ordinary people. New social classes emerged. The industrial bourgeoisie who owned the factories, and the proletariat who worked in them. This tension gave rise to socialism, labor unions, and the struggle for workers' rights that continues to this day. The Industrial Revolution also reshaped the world politically. Industrialized nations gained enormous military and economic advantages over non-industrialized ones, leading to colonialism on an unprecedented scale. Britain became the world's most powerful empire, controlling a quarter of the Earth's land surface. Today, we are living through another revolution. The digital revolution is transforming our world just as dramatically as the Industrial Revolution transformed the 18th and 19th centuries. But the lessons of that first revolution remain relevant. Progress comes with a price, and who pays it matters. This is History Nook. Subscribe for more deep dives into the stories that shaped our world.